Small screen girl on my face, coffee stain on my plain white shirt. Same old chain, same tie, playlist thinking, is this all I'm worth? Getting in the name lights up my screen. Simple text that fits my day. Keep your eyes wide open. Now I can't look away. You're gonna see something amazing today. Like the first blue sky after.
你的网站是您线上业务的中心，透过网站安全性保护其免受线上威胁。受保护的网站还将有助您的在线搜寻排名。今天就使用 GoDaddy。
Dust on my boots and a full tank. Sun burning low in the rear view glass. You laughed, said, boy, this is your big plan. I smiled, said, girl, that's the first half. We ain't even hit that gravel. We ain't even killed that light. If you think this is a party, stick around tonight. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started, babe. Got a back road, got a sunset. Got your hand in mine and a wild heart set. On every mile, every kiss, every red Corvette in my head. Baby, this is just the first step. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. Cooler in the bed, old shirts for a blanket. That song you love on the dash lit blue. You said this feels like the ending. I said, no, this is the preview. We ain't even hit that river. We ain't even lost that phone. If you think you know my favorite, wait till I make you my home. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started, babe. Got a back road, got a sunset. Got your name in my front door. Tiny jersey with my last name. If you think this love is crazy, you ain't read the back half of this page. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started, babe. From the backseat to the front porch, to a crowded church and a white dress. Every year, every tear, every sweet silhouette in that dress. Baby, this is just the first step. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing I've been counted out, left on red, left in doubt. Every maybe felt like never, but I kept your picture in my wallet. Folded corners, yeah, I saw it. Every time the world said whatever, I get that tightness in my chest. When the floor drops, I don't rest. I just breathe, then move step by step. I'm never gonna stop trying, even when the waves keep rising. You can see the fear in my eyes, and still I'm standing. I'm never gonna stop reaching, even when my hands stop bleeding. Every little scar is a reason I'm still standing. Never gonna stop trying. Never gonna stop trying. Friends turned strangers overnight. Dreams went quiet, lost their light, but I learned to glow in the shadow. Talk to mirrors like a coach, get back up, that's all she wrote. So I run through every high, every hollow. It's in my chest, but this fight don't accept any ending that says regret. Not yet. I'm never gonna stop trying, even when the waves keep rising. failures on my side, like a choir for my life, singing one more time, one more time. Hey! I'm never gonna stop trying, even when the waves keep rising. You can see the fear in my eyes, and still I'm standing. I'm never gonna stop reaching, even when my hands stop bleeding. Every little scar is a reason I'm still standing. Never gonna stop trying. Never gonna stop trying.
Yeah. Low on my face like I painted the sun. Move with the rhythm that can't be undone. Every little heartbeat's begging for fun. Watch me light it up, I'm second to none. I'm rising up. I'm rising up now. Ooh, 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 I'm the sparkle, fire, I'm the soul. I'm the sparkle, fire, I'm the soul. Dying in my stride like I'm born for the stage. Feeling that freedom, I'm turning the page. Power in my presence, never played safe. Catch me in the moment, center of the wave. I'm turning up. I'm turning up now. Oh, 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 I'm the sparkle, fire, I'm the soul. I'm the sparkle, fire, I'm the I'm turning up now. Oh, 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 I'm the sparkle, fire, I'm the soul. I'm the sparkle, fire, I'm the soul. Hey, yeah. Phone face down, still I keep on checking. Mind runs wild, every scene projecting. Got your name doodled on my playlist. If this is wrong, I kinda wanna stay missed. I can't wait to see this play out in real life. Us in the front row laughing through the late nights. I can't wait to feel it. First look, first kiss, whatever this becomes. I can't wait to see this. I can't wait to see this. You say soon, yeah, you always say it. I hit send, then delete what I meant. But when can't wait to see this play out in real life. Us in the front row laughing through the late nights. I can't wait to feel it. First look, first kiss, whatever this becomes. I can't wait to see this.
Woke up feeling something shift. Same room, but the air felt thick. Mirror said I'm still that kid. Art said you're bigger than this. Tied my laces, hands still shook. First step was the hardest one. Every lap, every sideways look, all fade when the race is run. I carried every doubt lightweight. Now I'm lighter than the flame. You can write it on the page. Everything changed. A legend was made today. From every little scar, every heartbreak, took all of the nights I almost walked away, and I turned them into gold in the name. Remember this face, this place, when the crowd stands up and they all say a legend was made today. A legend was made today. Oh yeah. Hands up when I crossed that line. Flashbulbs in my open eyes, but the loudest thing I heard was my own voice saying rise. All the times I came up short, played them back like old home tapes. Now they're just the proof I've grown. Steps I took to reach this day. I carried every doubt lightweight. Now I'm lighter than the flame. You can write it on the page. Everything changed. A legend was made today. From every little scar, every heartbreak, took all of the nights I almost walked away, and I turned them into gold into my name. Remember this face, this place, when the crowd stands up and they all say a legend was made today. A legend was made today. This is for the kid who writes, for the one who's tired of trying. If you're standing on that edge, let this moment be your sign. A legend was made today. A legend was made today. From every little scar, every heartbreak, took all of the nights I almost walked away, and I turned them into gold in my name. Remember this face, this place, when the crowd stands up and they all say a legend was made today. A legend was made today. A legend was made today.
Yeah. You feel that? Alright. Go ahead, let it ride. Let it go where you are. You just keep getting better. Just keep getting better. You's a bona fide superstar. You just keep getting better. Just keep getting better. So I say a few things. Everybody looking for a new thing. There you go, moonwalking like two wings. Just flew in, put the room in the mood ring. You got people talking your name up. I don't know how you came up, but either way you go, you deserve it. You put the work in, it's so perfect. Cause someone gets, but wait, you get what you want when you say. You can have the world if you want on a plate. Whoever said you ain't who you are, their mistake. It's up cause you are, you don't hear them, no way. Don't walk, you levitate. You see your chance, don't hesitate. Gotta look too good on your resume when that record play, yeah. Go ahead, let it ride. Let it go where you are. You just keep getting better. Just keep getting better. You's a bona fide superstar. You just keep getting better. Just keep getting better. Baby, don't you slow it down. Not for no one, baby. Not for no one, baby. No. Go ahead, let it ride. Let it go where you are. You just keep getting better. Don't you ever let up. On off, let it ring like a hotline. Up for the night, living life for the plot line. You a good melody, I got a top line. You number one, make them settle for the top line. Cause you always in the bag, pop another tag. Quality is everything, cause moments never last. I don't wanna know how many minutes do we have till it's midnight. High heels click like glass on the floor. I heard people don't dance anymore. Never got the memo when it came, you ignore. People staring at at you like they never seen a real one round these parts before. But you don't walk, you levitate. You see your chance, don't hesitate. Gotta look too good on your resume when that record play, yeah. We gonna let it ride, let it go where you are. You just keep getting better, just keep getting better. You's a bona fide superstar. You just keep getting better, just keep getting better. Baby, don't you slow it down. Not for no one, baby, not for no one, baby, no. Let it ride, let it go where you are. You just keep getting better. Don't you ever let up, oh no.
Yeah. False wrinkle on my face, coffee stain on my plain white shirt. Same old chain, same tie, playlist thinking, is this all I'm worth? Getting in the ink lights up my screen, sent the text that fits my face. Keep your eyes wide open, now I can't look away. You're gonna see something amazing today, like the first blue sky after weeks of rain. Doesn't look special till it suddenly changes. Hold your breath, heart beat, everything rearranges. You're gonna see something amazing today. Elevator up, heartbeat high, city home like a quiet prayer. You walk in, laughing at nothing. Suddenly there's color in the air. Every small step feels like fireworks. Every shy glint feels brand new. Didn't think the world could flip this fast, but it did when I saw. You're gonna see something amazing today, like the first blue sky after weeks of rain. Doesn't look special till it suddenly changes. Hold your breath, heart beat, anything rearranges. You're gonna see something amazing today. Maybe it's a stranger saying hi. Maybe it's a tear you let fall this time. Maybe it's just you suddenly believing you. You're gonna see something amazing today, like the first blue sky after weeks of rain. Gotta look special till it suddenly changes. Hold your breath, heart beat, everything rearranges. You're gonna see something amazing today. You're gonna be something amazing today.
Good job.
Dust on my my boots and a full tank. Sun burning low in the rear view glass. You laughed, said, boy, this is your big plan. I smiled, said, girl, that's the first half. We ain't even hit that gravel. We ain't even killed that light. If you think this is a party, stick around tonight. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started, babe. Got a back road, got a sunset. Got your hand in mine and a wild heart set. On every mile, every kiss, every red Corvette in my head. Baby, this is just the first step. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. Cooler in the bed, old shirts for a blanket. That song you love on the dash lit blue. You said this feels like the ending. I said no, this is the preview. We ain't even hit that river. We ain't even lost that phone. If you think you know my favorite, wait till I make you my home. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started, babe. Got a back road, got a sunset. Got your name in mine on a mailbox sketch. Every vow, every fight, every makeup breath in our bed. Baby, this is just the first step. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. Picture little boots by the front door. Tiny jersey with my last name. If you think this love is crazy, you ain't read the back half of this page. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started, babe. From the backseat to the front porch to a crowded church and a white dress. Every year, every tear, every sweet silhouette in that dress. Baby, this is just the first step. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing
I live for days like these. I think I must be dreaming, but I don't wanna wake up. And I don't need a reason to spread a little love, no. I'll put a smile on your face, brighten up everybody's day. 'Cause all I see is blue skies on my horizon. Right now, this is our moment. No better time or place. Freedom's our only focus, won't hit the brakes. We're coming up, can't stop this feeling. I put it on repeat. You better believe it, ain't going nowhere. Run away, run away, run away now. It's a new energy. Can't stop this feeling. I live for days like these. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for days like these.
Oh, we're sky high up here rolling, and we won't turn around. Yeah, we're on our way up, and ain't nobody can bring us down. We turn up, we're coming through. We won't stop, no way, we can't lose. Yeah, here we are, written in the stars. Came a long way, and we're gonna go so far.
Right now, this is our moment. No better time or place. Freedom's our only focus, won't hit the brakes. We're coming out. Can't stop this feeling. I'll put it on repeat. You better believe it, ain't going nowhere. Run away, run away, run away now. It's a new energy. Can't stop this feeling. I live for days like these. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for days like these. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for days like these. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for days like these. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for. Whoa, oh, oh, I live for days like these.
I've been counted out, left on red, left
left in doubt. Every maybe felt like never, but I kept your picture in my wallet. Folded corners, yeah, I saw it. Every time the world said whatever, I get that tightness in my chest. When the floor drops, I don't rest. I just breathe, then move step by step. I'm never gonna stop trying, even when the waves keep rising. You can see the fear in my eyes, and still I'm standing. I'm never gonna stop reaching, even when my hands stop bleeding. Every little scar is a reason I'm still standing. Never gonna stop trying. Never gonna stop trying. Friends turned strangers overnight. Dreams went quiet, lost their light, but I learned to glow in the shadow. Talk to mirrors like a coach, get back up, that's all she wrote. So I run through every high, every hollow, and it's in my chest. But this fight don't accept any ending that says regret. Not yet. I'm never gonna stop trying, even when the waves keep rising. You can see the fear in my eyes, and still I'm standing. I'm never gonna stop reaching, even when my hands start bleeding. Every little scar is a reason I'm still standing. Never gonna stop trying. Never gonna stop trying. If I fall tonight, I'll rise. All my failures on my side.
This is how intelligence is made. A new factory. Generator of tokens. The building blocks of AI. Tokens have opened a new frontier, turning data into knowledge, and drawing on all we have learned. Tokens are harnessing a new wave of clean energy and unlocking the secrets of the stars. In virtual worlds, they help robots learn. And in the physical world, perfect. Forging new paths. And clearing the way for a bountiful harvest. In the moments that matter, tokens are already there. And in the miles between, they never stop. They work where human hands cannot. So we may all breathe easier. And the smallest hearts beat stronger. helping us break new ground. On a scale never attempted, to empower the world. So we can reach
Star Cloud 1, separation confirmed.
well beyond it. Together, we take the next great leap into a bright new future, built for all mankind. And here is where it all begins.
Welcome to the stage, Nvidia founder and CEO, Jensen Huang.
Welcome to GTC! I just want to remind you, this is a tech conference. All these people lining up so early in the morning. All of you in here, it's great to see you. GTC. GTC, we're going to talk about technology. We're going to talk about platforms. Nvidia has three platforms. You think that we mostly talk about one of them. It's related to CUDA X. Our systems is another platform, and now we have a new platform called AI Factories. We're going to talk about all of them, and most importantly, we're going to talk about ecosystems. But before I start, let me thank our pre-game show hosts. I thought they did a great job. Sarah Go of Conviction, Alfred Lim, Sequoia Capital, Nvidia's first venture capitalist, Gavin Baker, Nvidia's first major institutional investor. These three people are deep in technology, deep in what's going on, and of course, they have just a really broad reach of technology ecosystem. And then of course, all of the VIPs that I hand-selected to join us today, all-star team. I want to thank all of you for that. I also want to thank all the companies that are here. Nvidia, as you know, is a platform company. We have technology, we have our platforms, we have rich ecosystem. And today, there are probably 100% of the $100 trillion of industry here. 450 companies sponsored this event. I want to thank you. 1,000 technical sessions, 2,000 speakers. This conference is going to cover every single layer of the five-layer cake of artificial intelligence, from land, power, and shell, the infrastructure, to chips, to the platforms, the models, and of course the most important, and ultimately, what's going to get this industry taken off is all of the applications. It all began here. This is the 20th anniversary of CUDA. We've been working on CUDA for 20 years. For 20 years, we've been dedicated to this architecture, this revolutionary invention, SIMT, single instruction, multi-threaded, writing scalar code could spawn off into multi-threaded application, much easier to program than SIMD. We recently added tiles so that we could help people program tensor cores and the structures of mathematics that are so foundational to artificial intelligence today. Thousands of tools, compilers, frameworks, and libraries. In open source, there's a couple of 100,000 public projects. CUDA literally is integrated into every single ecosystem. This chart basically describes 100% of NVIDIA's strategies. You've been watching me talk about this slide from the very beginning. And ultimately, the single hardest thing to achieve is the thing on the bottom, installed base. It has taken us 20 years to now have built up hundreds of millions GPUs and computing systems around the world that run CUDA. We are in every cloud. We're in every computer company. We serve just about every single industry. The installed base of CUDA is the reason why the flywheel is accelerating. The installed base is what attracts developers, who then creates new algorithms that achieves a breakthrough. For example, deep learning. There are so many others. Those breakthroughs leads to entirely new markets, which builds new ecosystems around them with other companies that join, which creates a larger installed base. This flywheel is now accelerating. The number of downloads of NVIDIA libraries is incredibly accelerating. It's at a very large scale and growing faster than ever. This flywheel is what makes this computing platform able to sustain so much applications, so many new breakthroughs. But most importantly, it also enables these infrastructures to have extraordinarily useful life. And the reason for that is very obvious. There's so many applications that you can run on NVIDIA CUDA. We support the entire, every single phase of the AI lifecycle. We address every single data processing platform. We accelerate scientific principle solvers of all different kinds. And so the application reach is so great that once you install NVIDIA GPUs, the useful life of it is incredibly high. It is also one of the reasons why Ampere, that we shipped them some 6 years ago, the pricing of Ampere in the cloud is going up. And so all of that is made possible fundamentally because the install base is high, the flywheel is high, the developer reach is great. And when all of that happens, and we continuously update our software, the computing cost declines. The combination of accelerated computing, speeding up applications tremendously. Meanwhile, as we continue to nurture and continue to update software over its life, not only do you get the first time pop, you get the continuous cost reduction of accelerating computing over time. And we're willing to nurture, willing to support every single one of these GPUs in the world because they're all architecturally compatible. We're willing to do so because the install base is so large. If we release a new optimization, it benefits millions. This applies to everybody in the world. This combination of dynamics is what makes the NVIDIA architecture expand its reach, accelerating its growth, at the same time driving down computing costs, which ultimately encourages new growth. So CUDA is at the center of it. But our journey to CUDA actually started 25 years ago. GeForce I know how many of you grew up with GeForce. GeForce is NVIDIA's greatest marketing campaign. We attract future customers starting long before you could afford to pay for it yourself. Your parents paid. Your parents paid. Your parents paid for you to be NVIDIA customers. And every single year, they paid up year after year until someday you became an amazing computer scientist and became a proper customer, a proper developer. But this is the house that GeForce made. 25 years ago, we started our journey which led to CUDA. 25 years ago, we invented the programmable shader, a perfectly unobvious invention to make an accelerator programmable. The world's first programmable accelerator, the pixel shader. 25 years ago, that led us to explore further. 20 years later, 5 years later, the invention of CUDA. One of the biggest investments that we made. And we couldn't afford it at the time. And it consumed the vast majority of our company's profits was to take CUDA on the backs of GeForce to every single computer. We dedicated ourselves to create this platform because we felt so strongly about its potential. But ultimately, the company's dedication to it, despite the hardships in the beginning, believing in every single day, for 13 generations, 20 years, we now have CUDA installed everywhere. The pixel shader led to, of course, the revolution of GeForce. And then 10 years ago, we introduced about 10 years ago, 8 years ago, we introduced RTX, a complete redesign of our architecture for the modern era of computer graphics. GeForce brought CUDA to the world. GeForce therefore enabled Alex Krizhevsky and Ilya Sutskever, Jeff Hinton, Andrew Ng, and so many others to discover that the GPU could be their friend in accelerating deep learning. It started the big bang of AI. 10 years ago, we decided that we would fuse programmable shading and introduce two new ideas. Ray tracing, hardware ray tracing, which is incredibly hard to do, and a new idea at the time. Imagine about 10 years ago, we thought that AI would revolutionize computer graphics. Just as GeForce brought AI to the world, AI is now going to go back and revolutionize how computer graphics is done all together. Well, today I'm going to show you something of the future. This is our next generation of graphics technology. We call it neuro-rendering. The fusion of 3D graphics and artificial intelligence. This is DLSS 5. Take a look at it. Is that incredible? Computer graphics comes to life. Now, what did we do? We fused controllable 3D graphics, ground truth of virtual worlds, the structured data. Remember this word. The structured data of virtual worlds, of generated worlds. We combine 3D graphics, structured data with generative AI. Probabilistic computing. One of them is completely predictive. The other one probabilistic, yet highly realistic. We combine these two ideas. Controlled through structured data, controlled perfectly, and yet generating at the same time. And as a result, the content is beautiful, amazing as well as controllable. This concept of fusing structured information and generative AI will repeat itself in one industry after another industry. Structured data is the foundation of trustworthy AI. Well, this is going to scare you a little bit. I'm going to flip the slide, and don't gasp. So we're going to go through this schematic for the rest of the time. This is my best slide. Every time I ask my team, what's my best slide? Repeatedly, this was it. They say, don't do it, Jensen. Don't do it. I said, no. These seats are free for some of you. So this is your price of admission. So this is structured data. You've heard of it. SQL, Spark, Pandas, Velox. Some of these really important, very large platforms. Snowflake, Databricks, EMR, Amazon EMR, Azure Fabric, Google Cloud, BigQuery. All of these platforms are processing data frames. These data frames are giant spreadsheets, and they hold all of life's information. This is the structured data, the ground truth of business. This is the ground truth of enterprise computing. Well, now we're going to have AI use structured data, and we better accelerate the living daylights out of it. It used to be okay, and we would, of course, we would accelerate. However, in the future, what's going to happen is these data structures are going to be used by AI. And AI is going to be much faster than us. Future agents are going to use structured databases as well. And then, of course, the unstructured database, the generative database. This database represents the vast majority of the world. Vector databases, unstructured data, PDFs, videos, speeches, all of the world's information, about 90% of what's generated every single year is unstructured data. Until now, this data has been completely useless to the world. We read it, we put it into our file system, and that's it. Unfortunately, we can't query it. We can't search for it. It's hard to do that. And the reason for that is because there's no easy indexing of unstructured data. You have to understand its meaning, its purpose. And so now we have AI do that. Just as AI was able to solve multi-modality perception, you can understanding. You can use that same technology. Multimodality, perception, and understanding to go read a PDF, to understand its meaning. And from that meaning, embedded into a larger structure that we can search into, we can query into. Nvidia created two foundational libraries, just like we created RTX for 3D graphics. We created CUDA for data frames, structured data. We created CUDA for vector stores, semantic data. Unstructured data, AI data. These two platforms are going to be two of the most important platforms in the future. Super excited to see its adoption throughout the network, this complicated network of the world's data processing systems. And the reason for that is because data processing has been around a long time. And therefore, so many different companies and platforms and services that has taken us a long time to integrate deeply into this ecosystem. I'm super proud of the work that we're doing here. And then today, we're announcing several of them. IBM, the inventor of SQL, one of the most important domain-specific languages of all time, is accelerating Watson X data with CUDA. Let's take a look at it.
60 years ago, IBM introduced the System 360, the first modern platform for general-purpose computing, launching the computing era. Then SQL, a declarative language to query data without requiring the computer to be instructed step by step. And the data warehouse, each the foundation of modern enterprise computing. Today, IBM and Nvidia are reinventing data processing for the era of AI by accelerating IBM Watson X data SQL engines with Nvidia computing libraries. Data is the ground truth that gives AI context and meaning. AI needs rapid access to massive data sets. Today's CPU data processing systems can't keep up. Nestle makes thousands of supply chain decisions every day. They're ordered to cache data mart, aggregate every supply, order, and delivery event across global operations in 185 countries. On CPUs, Nestle refreshed the data mart a few times a day. With accelerated Watson X data running on Nvidia GPUs, Nestle can run the same workload 5 times faster at 83% lower cost. The next computing platform has arrived. Accelerated computing. for the era of AI.
Nvidia accelerates data processing in the cloud. We also accelerate data processing on-prem. As you know, Dell is the world-leading computer systems maker, and they also are one of the world's leading storage providers. And they worked with us to create the Dell AI data platform that integrates CUDA and QVS to create an accelerated data platform. Well, for the era of AI. And this is an example of what they did with NT data. Huge speed up. This is Google Cloud. And Google Cloud, as you know, we've been working with Google Cloud for a very long time. We accelerate Google's Vertex AI. We now accelerate BigQuery. Really important framework and really important platform. And this is an example of our work together with Snapchat, where we reduced the cost of computing by nearly 80%. When you accelerate data processing, when you accelerate computing, you get the benefit of speed, you get the benefit of scale. But most importantly, you also get the benefit of cost. And so all of those come together as one. It was originally called Moore's Law. Moore's Law was about getting performance doubling every couple of years. It's another way of saying, so long as the price remains about the same and most computers remained about the same, you're also getting twice the performance every year, or you're reducing the cost of computing every single year. Well, Moore's Law has run out of steam. We need a new approach. Accelerated computing allows us to take these giant leaps forward. And as you will see later, because we continue to optimize the algorithms. And Nvidia is an algorithm company. As we continue to optimize the algorithms, and because our reach is so large, and our install base is so large, we can reduce the computing costs, increasing the scale, increasing the speed for everybody continuously. This is Google Cloud. You could see this pattern I just mentioned. I just wanted to show you three versions of it. Nvidia built the accelerated computing platform. Has a bunch of libraries on top. I gave you three examples. RTX is one of them. QVF is another. QVS, and we'll show you a few more. These libraries sit on top of our platform. But ultimately, we integrate into the world's cloud services, into the world's OEMs, and together and other platforms I'll show you. Together, we're able to reach the world. This pattern, Nvidia, Google Cloud, Snapchat will repeat over and over again, and kind of looks like this. And so this is one example. Nvidia with Google Cloud. We accelerate Vertex AI. We accelerate BigQuery. We accelerate. I'm super proud of the work that we've done with JAX and XLA. We're incredible on PyTorch. We're the only accelerator in the world that's incredible on PyTorch and incredible on JAX and XLA. And the customers that we support, the base 10s, the CrowdStrikes, Puma, Salesforce, they're not our customers, but they're customers, developers of ours that we've integrated the NVIDIA technologies into, that we can then land on the clouds. Our relationship with cloud service providers are essentially us bringing customers to them. We integrate our libraries, we accelerate workloads, and we land those customers in the clouds. And so, as you could see, most of our cloud service providers love working with us, and they're always asking us to land the next customer on their cloud. And I just want to let you know, there are a lot of customers. We're going to accelerate everybody. And so there'll be lots and lots of customers will land in your cloud. Just be patient with us. And so this is Google Cloud. This is AWS. We've been working with AWS a long time. And one of the things I'm super excited about this year is we're going to bring OpenAI to AWS. And so it's going to drive enormous consumption of cloud computing at AWS. It's going to expand the reach, expand the compute of OpenAI. And as you know, they are completely compute constrained. And so AWS, we accelerate EMR, we accelerate SageMaker, we accelerate Bedrock. NVIDIA's integrated really deeply into AWS. They were our first cloud partner. Microsoft Azure. NVIDIA's A100 supercomputer was the first one we built was for Nvidia. The first one we installed was at Azure, and that led to the big successful partnership with OpenAI. But we've been working with Azure for quite a long time. We accelerate Azure Cloud. Now it's their AI Foundry we partner deeply with. We accelerate Bing Search. We work with them on Azure regions. This is one of the areas that is incredibly important. As we continue to expand AI throughout the world, one of the capabilities that we offer is confidential computing. That in confidential computing, you want to make sure that even the operator cannot see your data. Even the operator cannot touch or see your models. Confidential computing, Nvidia's GPUs is the first ones in the world to do that. It's now able to support confidential computing and protected deployment of these very valuable OpenAI models and Anthropic models throughout clouds and different regions, and all because of our confidential computing. Confidential computing is super important. And here's an example where we have different customers that we work with. Synopsys, a great partner of ours, we're accelerating all of their EDA and CAE workflows. And then we landed at Microsoft Azure. We were Oracle's first AI customer. Most people would have thought we were their first supplier. We're their first supplier also. But we were their first AI customer. I'm quite proud of the fact that I explained AI clouds to Oracle for the first time. And we were their first customer. Since then, they've really taken off. We've landed a whole bunch of our partners there. Cohere and Fireworks, and of course, very famously, OpenAI. A great partnership with CoreWeave. They're the world's first AI native cloud. A company that was built with only one singular purpose: to provision to host GPUs as the era of accelerated computing showed up, and to host for AI clouds. They've got some fantastic customers, and they're growing incredibly. One of the platforms that I'm quite excited about is Palantir and Dell. The three of our companies have made it possible to stand up a brand new type of AI platform, the Palantir Ontology platform, an AI platform. And we can stand up these platforms in any country, in any air-gapped region, completely on-prem, completely on-site, completely in the field. AI could be deployed literally everywhere. Without our confidential computing capability, without our ability to build end-to-end systems, as well as offer the entire accelerated computing and AI stack from data processing, whether it's vectors or structures, all the way to AI, it wouldn't have been possible. I wanted to show you these examples. This is our special working relationship with the world's cloud service providers, and all of them are here. And I get the benefit of seeing them during booth tours, and it's just so incredibly exciting. I just want to thank all of you for the hard work. What NVIDIA has done is this. And you're going to see this theme over and over again. NVIDIA is vertically integrated, the world's first vertically integrated, but horizontally open company. And the reason that's necessary is very simple. Accelerated computing is not a chip problem. Accelerated computing is not a systems problem. Accelerated computing has a missing word. We just never say it anymore. Application acceleration. If I could make a computer run everything faster, that's called a CPU. But that's run out of steam. The only way for us to accelerate applications going forward and continue to bring tremendous speed up, tremendous cost reduction is through application or domain-specific acceleration. I dropped that phrase in the front, and therefore it just became accelerated computing. And that is the reason why NVIDIA has to be library after domain after domain, vertical. We are a vertically integrated computing company. There is no other way. We have to understand the applications. We have to understand the domain. We have to understand fundamentally the algorithms. And we have to figure out how to deploy the algorithm in whatever scenario it wants to be deployed, whether it's a data center, cloud, on-prem, at the edge, on a robotic system. All of those computing systems are different. And finally, the systems and chips. We are vertically integrated. What makes it incredibly powerful, and the reason why you saw all the slides, is because NVIDIA is horizontally open. We're working and integrate NVIDIA's technology into whatever platform you would like us to integrate into. We offer you the software, we offer you libraries, we integrate with your technology so that we can bring accelerated computing to everybody in the world. Well, this GTC is really a great demonstration of that. Most of the time, you'll see me talk about these verticals, and I'll use some examples. But in every single case, whether it's automotive, by the way, financial services, the largest percentage of attendees at this GTC is from the financial services industry. I know. I'm hoping it's developers, not traders. Guys. Here's one thing I wanted to say. And so in the audience represents NVIDIA's ecosystem upstream of our supply chain and downstream of our supply chain. And we think about our supply chain upstream and downstream. And it's just so exciting that our entire upstream supply chain this last year, irrespective of whether you're a 50-year-old company, we have 70-year-old companies, we have a 150-year-old company who are now part of NVIDIA's supply chain and partnering with us either upstream or downstream. And last year, you had your record year. Did you not? Congratulations. We're on to something here. This is the beginning of something very big. And so, if you look at accelerated computing, we've now set the computing platform. But in order for us to activate those computing platforms, we need to have domain-specific libraries that solve very important problems in each one of the verticals that we address. You see us addressing every single one of this. Autonomous vehicles, our reach, our breadth, our impact, incredible. We have a track on that. Financial services, I just mentioned. Algorithmic trading is going from classical machine learning with human feature engineering called quantitative to now supercomputers studying massive amounts of data, discovering insight and discovering patterns by itself. And so this is going through its deep learning and its transformer moment. Healthcare is going through their ChatGPT moment. Some really exciting work that we're there. We have a great keynote track here. We have a great keynote track here. Really powerful keynote track for healthcare. We're talking about AI physics, or AI biology for drug discovery, AI agents for customer service and support of diagnosis, and of course physical AI, robotic systems. All these different vectors of AI have different platforms that NVIDIA provides. Industrial, we are completely resetting and starting the largest build out of human history, and most of the world's industries. Building AI factories, building chip plants, building computer plants are represented here today. Media and entertainment, gaming, of course, real-time AI platform so that we could translation and broadcast support and live games and live video. Enormous amount of it will be augmented with AI. We have a platform called Holoscan. Quantum. There are 35 different companies here building with us the next generation of quantum GPU hybrid systems. Retail and CPG. Using NVIDIA for supply chain. Using creating agentic shopping systems. AI agents for customer support. A lot of work being done here. $35 trillion industry. Robotics, $50 trillion industry in manufacturing. NVIDIA's been working in this area for a decade now, building three computers, the fundamental computers necessary to build robotic systems. We are integrated with, working with literally every single company that we know of building robots. We have 110 robots here at the show. And then telecommunications. about as large as the world's IT industry, about $2 trillion. We see, of course, base stations everywhere. It's one of the world's infrastructures. It was the infrastructure of the last generation of computing. That infrastructure is going to get completely reinvented. And the reason for that is very simple. That base station, which is, it does one thing, which is base station. It's going to be an AI infrastructure platform in the future. AI will run at the edge. And so lots of great discussion there. And our platform there is called Ariel, our AI RAM. Big partnership with Nokia, big partnership with T-Mobile, and many others. At the core of our business, everything that I just mentioned, computing platforms, but very importantly, are CUDA-X libraries. Our CUDA-X libraries is the algorithms that Nvidia invents. We are an algorithm company. That's what makes us special. That's what makes it possible for me to be able to go into every single one of these industries, imagine the future, and have the world's best computer scientists describe and solve problems, refactor it.
For direct sparse solvers. Q-equivariance for geometry-aware neural networks. Ariel for AI RAM. Warp for differentiable physics. Parabricks for genomics. At their foundation are algorithms, and they are beautiful.